Hi there, Citrix admins. I have another tip for you today. It has to do with the slow loading and startup timing of Citrix Studio. You'll run across this with multiple versions of Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops in Studio, running on different versions of Windows Server 2019, 2022, and so forth. And it has to do with Studio not having internet access while it starts up. There actually is a CTX article, you see this on the screen here, that you can refer to that gives a brief explanation of what's going on. Basically, what you need to do to remediate this is to open up Internet Explorer and go into your advanced settings and uncheck the box for check for publisher's certificate revocation. And there's a brief explanation down here as far as the problem and cause. So what I thought I'd do for you today is actually show you that change. I've got a Windows Server 2019 here running with version 7, 1912 of Citrix loaded on this. And what we'll do is go ahead and start Studio and start my stopwatch here. And this is with the default setting of that box checked. So we'll get a baseline of the impact of unchecking that box after we finish this test. So this may take 30 seconds to a minute and a half. We'll just have to wait and see how long it will take to load Studio up here initially. So we're at about 30 seconds, still waiting. Approaching 1 minute. And I don't know about you, but I'm already tired of waiting. Approaching 1 minute and a half. Oh, thought it was going to open up there. There we go. I'll hit stop. So roughly 1 minute and 44 seconds. So I'll go ahead and close Studio, reset our timer. Remember that was 1 minute and 44 seconds. I'm going to go back over to IE and go to our settings, advanced, scroll down to security, remove the check mark for check for publisher certificate revocation, select OK, and close IE. So we'll run the same test again, opening Studio, and with the timer running. Studio's launched. Start. Stop. 20 seconds, 21 seconds. Significantly faster than having to wait that 1 minute and 44 seconds. Now, this test isn't entirely scientific from the standpoint of some of the assemblies may have already been compiled as things were still in memory perhaps from the previous load. But I think it's a fair representation of the improvement that you'll see by making that one change in IE. Again, this you'll see various improvements depending upon the version. Again, this is 1912, so different versions may have other improvement and timing you would expect to see. Maybe not as substantial, but you will notice a difference and improvement. All right, well, that's the tip for today. Thanks for watching.